everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Charlotte. She's like, Mom, I just love being your helper in your videos. Yeah, you gotta start them young. Yeah, and she's already talking. What else you gotta say? Oh, okay. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree. Now, I am back to doing DIYs, you guys. It's been driving me nuts. Like, I love doing DIYs, and now I think with Ben going back to school, my son, I can get stuff done. Even though he's only gone for 4 hours, 4 days a week, I feel like I can get done with some of my videos, because a lot of you guys are like, it's kid, and I know a lot of you guys love him, but I get very irritated with him just jumping in. Like, I don't care if he comes in once in a while, but then there's times where it's like, stop. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up going to a couple different Dollar Trees throughout the week because I am trying to find a DIY that I want to do. And then I get home, and then I'm like, oh crap, I could have done this, and then I forget. And so today I go there to Dollar Tree before I went couponing, and I forgot to get 4 of the items instead, but I'm going to still share with you guys what I got, but what I was excited for is after I was buying these, like I had Charlotte in one hand and one product in the other, I saw a guy came to the register with these Dippin' Dots cereal, and I'm like, oh, now I have tried the Dippin' Dots cereal. I've tried the Napolitan, or it was like strawberry banana, whatever. I didn't like them, but my store had 2 different sizes of the cookies and cream. They had the smaller one and then the bigger one, the family size. But I thought, you know what, I'm probably not going to be a huge fan of this cereal, so I just got the smaller box anyways. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to go back and get some cereal. So I go back and I found a couple different boxes. Now, they also had peach Cheerios, which I will not eat, and then they had maple Cheerios, which I thought it'd be okay, but I'm like, no, that's okay. But I ended up getting 3 different boxes of cereal, and I'm actually going to be doing another taste test video with Benjamin. I got enough cereal to do another video, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that, but 3 of these cereals will be in that video. But I ended up getting the Dippin' Dots cookies and cream. I really love Oreos, and I love dipping Oreos in here, so I'm hoping these possibly taste like that. This does expire in December, so that video will be coming up soon. So I got 1 box of that. And then they had the birthday cake cookie crisp. Now, I'm not a huge fan of cookie crisp, but I'll get it every once in a while. But this is birthday cake, and it's limited edition. You know, it's like, you got to get it because it's limited edition. But this expires in January. So I still got a while for this one. But I thought that's a good thing to try. So that's going to be in our taste test video with Mr. Benjamin. And then I also got the peanut butter chocolate blasted shreds. Now, I've never had the shreds. This is heavy, you guys. Like, this feels like it's a couple pounds. Whoa. We did it. But this does expire in November, so I do have to eat this up. But I thought this is kind of cool because I like chocolate and I like peanut butter. So I thought, why not try this? But yeah, I each got 1 of those for $1. So I was pretty excited with what I got for that. So it's definitely stay tuned. I'll probably be doing that in the next week or so with Mr. Benjamin. So I was pretty excited about that. Now, I went crazy over mesh tube because there's a couple wreaths that I want to make with this. I'm back to making wreaths again. I really like the wreaths that I do, but it is really time consuming. So I kind of want to do something like this. It's a little bit different, something I can just do right with Miss Charlotte and doesn't involve a lot of cutting. So I'm sorry in advance, but you guys will see me do the same wreaths in different seasons. And the reason is because I get people who specifically look for Halloween wreaths, and I get people who specifically look for fall wreaths. And if I make one for Halloween and not fall, that they'll not see that one. So I'm going to be making a lot of repeat wreaths. But, you know, it just gives you guys ideas on how to do it. So I needed 4 of each color, but I ended up grabbing 3. I don't know what I was thinking, but I ended up getting the orange of the fall ones. I ended up getting a red of the fall. I got a orange of the Halloween. I got a brown of the fall. A green of the fall. And then I got a black, a purple, and a green. Now I got three 3 of each color, and I said I needed 4, so I will be going back to get one more of each one, but I will be making wreaths with those guys. I ended up getting some cat tinsel things. I found an idea that I really want to do for something that I want to work on a project, so I got 2 of them just in case I want to make another one, but I thought, you know, this is kind of cool to keep and use, so I decided to get 2 of those for the cat tinsels. So I want to start ahead, you guys. I really want to start working ahead. I have another DIY that I wanted to do that involved splatter trays. I think it's super cool. I've seen some ideas on these groups that I'm in, but I have an idea of something else I want to do. So I'm definitely going to do that. And that reminds me that I need to get something else when I do that. So when I go back to the Dollar Tree, I have to go back and do that. But definitely got 3 of those. And then I saw... It's hard to do a haul with one hand. And then I saw these little bows with a pumpkin or with leaves on it. I thought that's great. This is for a DIY that I'm going to do also. So I thought that's kind of cool. I suck at making bows. So I thought it's something pre-made and it's ready to go for me. And then I saw this sign that said, eat, drink, and be scary. I love Halloween decor, you guys. And so I like to change it up every once in a while. So Miss Charlotte's like, ooh, that's pretty. She's like, that's pretty. So I ended up getting that one. And then I also got one. And one of these was like super scratched up. And I'm just like, oh. But I ended up grabbing the best one I could. But I ended up finding Trick or Treat. It's like a little pumpkin. So I thought that was super cute. And I also just changed up my movie shelf. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I changed it out. So I got a little bit more room to put more Halloween decorations up. Yeah. And then I found this one. I thought this was cute. It says, beware the wicked witch and her little monsters live here. Yes. That is like an awesome sign, isn't that? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And then I found something that I can't show you guys because it's for something I'm going to be doing in the next couple weeks. So, can't show you guys. Sorry. I found this and I thought this is kind of something, I don't even know if this is going to work, but I found an electronic nail kit for natural and acrylic nails. It's basically kind of just to sand your nails. It takes one AA battery. It's just a button you push and it kind of sands your nails. I thought that's something kind of cool to do since I want to start putting nail polish on my nails. So I ended up getting that, and for $1, if it doesn't work, not a big deal. I save money in other ways to make up for it. Whoa! Where are you going? She's like, I'm a crazy mom. I'm crazy. It's got receipts like everywhere. So I ended up getting 4 of these little pumpkin things. Now they're scratched up as can be. Like there's paint chipped off of them. They're just like really crappy. I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a DIY with these. So these just say gather with grateful hearts, but I'm going to actually spray paint them and do something with them. But I just wanted to get them, you know, and I didn't care what they looked. There were some orange ones that were even better, but the orange ones had glitter on it, and I felt like if I had the glitter, it'd be kind of hard. These are just smooth, so got those to do for a DIY. She's just a wild little girl today. So I just, like I said, when I find stuff, I have to grab it, because you never know when you're not going to find it. So I ended up... Last week when I was out for Ben's birthday party, I had to go get balloons. And I found this sign that says, trick or treat, which way to the treats. I thought that is a really cute sign to have. I love signs. I love putting decoration all throughout my house. And I got to get out of my little rut and start putting decorations up, because I haven't put decorations up hardly at all this year. And then I also saw a sign that said, beware, beware for ghosts, and I thought those are kind of cute, so I ended up just, you know, getting something like that, because I'm like, that's totally fine. She likes to pull my hair and grab my face and give me kisses, because she's just like, Mommy, no! And then I ended up getting these Scotch scouring pads. These are probably cheap as all heck, but I need some, so I'm going to see how good these are. If not, I'll continue getting the Scotch brand. But I thought, you know what, for $1, for what, 8 of them, 10 of them, I'm like, we'll try it out. They're not supposed to be meant to last forever, but I'm like, we'll try it out. So, got that. I also found this. It's the Herbal Essence refresh Blue Ginger in the Shower Foam Conditioner. Now, I thought this would be something to try. They had the other ones and they had Pantene, but I thought this one would be the best one to use. So I thought we're just going to try it, you know, use it up and try it. I mean, for $1, you could definitely go with that. And then I ended up getting some floral wire because I needed that for my DIYs that I'm going to be doing. Sorry, you guys, my hair is just going to get all messed up because Miss Charlotte's just like, I like to take a chunk of it, Mom. Let me just take a chunk. I'll be quick. So I ended up getting these little baskets. I'm going to be doing like kind of a do-it-yourself organization for my closet. If you guys notice, I've taken a break at my cleaning videos. I just am burnt out on that, and I just needed to take a break. But I really want to get my closet done. So I ended up getting these to organize certain things. I also got 3 of these little buckets. Again, to put stuff in. I'm gonna start putting my stockpile stuff in my closet. So I got that, and then I also got 2 of these little baskets also to put stuff in my closet. So that's something I'm gonna be working on in my bathroom closet, just so I can start organizing it. I'm not having like a specific way or all clean and everything. I just need to just kind of put things in there of stuff that I want to use and that I don't want anybody taking when anybody comes over and takes my stockpile stuff. Sorry, my hair is just getting pulled like crazy. Yeah. But that was my haul. It wasn't much, but I'm really excited to bring back my DIYs, you guys. So you will definitely have to stay tuned to what I am making with that. But other than that, please give this video a, what do you say? Say, please give this video a thumbs up. And thank you guys for watching. And we will see you guys another time for another Dollar Tree haul. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.